Hi guys, so I'm going to be putting on a wig today that I got from a company called YIROO or YIROO, Y-I-R-O-O, Virgin Human Hair wig. It is a short wig, like a bob almost, so I'm excited to try it. I did this look specifically for the wig because I want my eyes to be like super dramatic and pretty much like neutral with the hair. So we're gonna try this unit on and style it and see how it looks. Alright guys, so I'm gonna take it out of the bags. It's a very simple box. It's pink, it has the company name on it, and it also comes with lashes. Most companies send lashes with their wigs. This wig is in a plastic right there, so let's try her on. It is 10 inches long and it is made of Brazilian hair. This is how it looks. It is a lace front unit. That's how it looks in front. Lace front, and it does have track in the back, okay? I don't know if you're able to see it, but if I do it like this, you can kind of, no, you can't see it. But there's track in the back and it's sewn down really flat, so you can't really feel it, you know, if you rub your hand over it. So I'm gonna cut the lace off real quick and we're going to try this off. I wanted to know, do you guys ever get nervous cutting the lace off of wigs? It gives me like a nervous feeling, like I'm always scared I'm accidentally going to cut like into the hairline and then the wig is going to be ruined. It's like, I don't know, it's just scary. And I see a lot of ladies here on YouTube cut their lace while the wig is on their head. Oh my gosh, you guys, I can't do it. I can't do it. I need to be able to hold it and see exactly where those scissors are going. I can't do the, you know, and it also makes me nervous for their hairline. But I guess some ladies don't care about their hairline. I don't know. But I won't be cutting lace on my head like that. Like, no way. No. Okay, but yeah, do you guys get nervous when you have to cut the lace on a wig or on a frontal or even on a closure? And a closure is not that much lace. It's just like a 4-inch, sometimes 5-inch piece of lace that you have to cut off. You know, sometimes like some wigs that I've sold to people, I've had to cut the lace for them because they're scared to cut the lace. So I wanted to know if that was just like a thing for a few people or was it like everyone? And not just, you know, human hair wigs. I'm talking about all kinds of wigs, even like the really nice synthetic wigs that look like human hair and, you know, behave like human hair. You can curl them and everything. Like, do you get nervous when you cut the lace? Makes me nervous. Alright, I hope you guys like the look. I know it's a bit dramatic, but it's fall and, you know, we have to have fun in fall. The summer, you know, I didn't upload as much, but when I did upload, it was something colorful. So fall, I still want to include colors, but, you know, I want to include some fall colors too. Okay, so yeah, I hope you guys like the look. Excited to film it. I probably will upload both of these videos in one day, so the wig try on and the look. All right, we're almost there. We're almost there, you guys, almost there. I think I got enough lace off to where it doesn't look strange. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair away. It's freshly washed. I got my roots back. Look at my roots, aren't they cute? But I do have to do some touch up. I don't know if you guys could see right here, like you see these, this is not lighting, this is just, I missed a couple of spots, so I'm going to have to fix that next week, because, you know, usually when I bleach my roots, I give my hair some time. If I made a mistake or I missed a couple of spots, I give my hair some time to, you know, relax, and then I go in and fix, you know, any little mistakes I had. And no, I don't want to go to a salon and any of that. Me and my hair have both agreed that it's best for us to just stay to ourselves and not have anyone touch us. So I don't know, you know, what if I was like a famous person? I don't even know how that would work. Like, I would be late to all my shows over here trying to do my own hair. But anyways, the wig does come with 2 straps, which are not attached right now. So I'm just gonna, oh, okay, I see they did the straps differently. They did them almost like the type of straps that you would do for like when you sew in a strap. That's how they kind of did it. So like you can put them together like that. Okay, cool, different. I like that. Okay, so we're gonna put this one on. I don't know if it's gonna, okay, it got stuck. It got stuck in my hair. Okay, let's try again. So, get back, pull that down and over. Okay, so this is a middle part unit, and I'm just gonna adjust. I don't know if I want a middle part or if I want a side part. I feel like for this look, I feel like I need a side part. You know what I mean? Side part, side part. Yeah, I'm feeling the side part. So I'm just gonna adjust that a little tiny bit. And I think this looks really nice, just putting it on right away. It's really nice and flat. So I'm gonna go in with my flat iron just to take the curve out of it. But that's how it looks, you guys. Ooh, cute, huh? And when you put it on an angle, it gives you kind of like an A-line bob look. So I really like that as well. Even though they gave it a middle part, it gives you a really nice shape. It doesn't seem like I have to do much as far as making this look natural. Maybe a little bit of powder, and that will probably be it for this unit. I like how the hairs kind of lay down a little bit flat in the front, giving you that illusion of natural baby hairs without overdoing it. I love trying on wigs, and I love, like, you know, wearing them for different looks. They really do help some of my looks come together, because my red hair, it's not always faithful. You know, so it doesn't go with everything that I want to do. So, first of all, the hair is very silky. It's really silky, very soft. So I like that. Kind of want to take it off and do it on my mannequin head. But we're just gonna... I do like that the wig fits pretty much perfect on my head, and it still has a lot of stretch. So, like, if I had like a bigger head, which I don't know if it's humanly possible, but if I did have had a bigger head, or had, like, you know, like a lot more hair, I'll be able to fit that under there comfortably. Definitely more of a natural thickness than like super thick. So, alright, so this side, since I have the wig on an angle, you know, like the tab, it's on an angle. So if I wanted to part it, I will have to part it, but I have it on an angle because I don't feel like parting it right now. So I have to adjust this part. That's what happens with short hair. I had short hair before, like a couple of times actually. I had cut my hair into like a bob, almost like this wig. Oh my God, Picasso hated it so much. I went to his work like that, and he didn't know, and he just looked at me and said I look like a boy. In fact, oh, I didn't know boys walked around with bobs, but okay. You know, and there are some boys now. It's 2018. Everybody has a bob now. But yeah, he was not a fan of the bob. But I'll tell you this, that summer was great. You know, like, it was so, like, easy that summer. You know, my hair wasn't on my neck. It wasn't bothering me. It was nice. It was nice while it lasted. So. Ow, I burned my hand! I do like how much movement is in this unit. I love that. I'm thinking about coloring it, or should I just leave it this way? What do you guys think? Should I color it? Maybe like the color of my background, maybe? Maybe something deeper? I think that would look so pretty. Kind of reminds me of my hair when it was short. I know a lot of you guys like to tag me in that Tyra Banks episode where I was there and I had shorter hair. It wasn't this short, but it was short, and this kind of reminds me of that a little bit. So, memories. By the way, Tyra Banks looks like a giant Barbie doll in person. Like, she's so tall and so beautiful. She's really, like, pretty in person. So, we're gonna go ahead and put some powder on her. I do like how soft and how much movement this unit has. I do like that. And how easy it is, you know, to put it on. Like, I could do the middle part, but this look just needs a side part, I feel like. Maybe more of a side part. Maybe I angle it some more. And I have that whole, you know, cute bob thing going on. This area right here to kind of blend that in. And I'm also going to use a bit of mascara on my natural baby hairs because you can kind of see them. They look pink and blonde. So I'm just going to use a small amount of mascara. I'm going to wipe all the excess off because I don't need a lot. And kind of like comb it into my baby hairs. Like you see, they're right there. They're just blonde because the red has washed off because I washed my face so much. So I just... So this is a trick that you can do if you have colored hair, but, you know, and you're wearing a darker wig. See how that works? And just comb it into the hair. But it's very important that you take the excess off of the brush and clean your brush off before you put it back, you know, in its tube. Put a little bit too much mascara. Just go in with a makeup wipe and just like gently wipe any excess off, and you just soften it up so it looks natural. Like this is a very edgy fall look. That's why I wanted the shorter hair for this look, and that's why I wore it for this look. I'm going to use my contour powder for my part in the shade Truffle. It is from Maybelline. This is their Fit Me powder. This will help take away that sharp look too and dull it up so it doesn't look like an unnatural part. You know what I mean? I like it. Remember, it is on an angle, so, you know, it's a middle part, but I have it in an angle, so just let me know what you think. Alright, you guys, so I changed it to the middle part where it was originally parted for, you know, middle part wear. And I do like it. It's not like horrible or anything, but I feel like the side part is giving this look more, I don't know, more of a like, wow. What do you think? Like I said, I do like the hair texture itself. It's very smooth and soft. There's no tangling in it, and it just glides through really, really nicely without being too shiny. You know what I mean? Like it feels really nice and silky, but it doesn't like feel fake or look fake. Side part for this makeup look, yes. Middle part, no. But yeah, let me just tilt that back over. You see what I mean? Like I feel like it changes the entire look. It's a 10-inch Brazilian hair unit. It is a frontal unit, so lace is only in the front. It has tracks in the back, and it has these really cool extra long straps that you can kind of turn it into those, you know, wig bands. So it holds the wig down for you nice and flat. So that's how that looks, you guys. So yeah, let me know what you think about the unit. If you guys are interested in the unit, I'll have the link down below to YIROO's website so you could check them out. I believe they have a sale coming up, so check them out and see if you can save some money on this beautiful unit. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in this tutorial. I hope you enjoy it. Bye guys.